I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready? Right.
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live. Okay.
We'll do it live, ladies and gents. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Welcome to my two trades, Bloodlytics, powering this whole shit, baby. Let's go. What we got in the building today? We got BitSource AML Solutions. Consulting. We got the consulting. Shout out to my guy, Caffeinated Crypto in the building. Wild Nature is in the house with the Zoga, Yoga, Zoga, Zen, whatever you call that. Hyben 17 in the house. Man, you couldn't be more on time if you tried. Man, I appreciate everyone tuning in today as we get, well, yeah, I guess you can say get started. I've been trading since our last session. It was a battle over the weekend. Boy, I was going back and forth. And I was going back and forth. I gotta go give me some coffee in a minute, but I was going back and forth over the weekend, y'all. It was choppy. Made it through. We'll take a look at the trades here. Matter of fact, let me do this. Hit that like button as you guys come in. We're going to get into the trades. Powered by Bloodalytics, of course. Get your free month subscription of Bloodalytics today, ladies and gents, by just simply scanning that QR code and filling out the form. All right. Now, I want to look at last week's video to see where our balance was left off from the live stream. So let me go over here really quickly. I can't remember. I know it was lower because we were at like below 19K. I'm now hovering around 21,000. 21. Let's see here. So we have last one was the Bybit hack. Let's see where we ended up there. Open that up. Let's share this screen really quickly. So we ended last stream at 18.5. 18.5. Actually, no. I take that back. We had a running P&L of 1,000, so 19.5 is where we roughly ended Friday's stream. That's where we ended Friday's stream. 19.5. So we're going to go through everything. I'm going to give you the rundown on Bitcoin, the crypto markets. As you see, look at that. Perfect bounces off the top of the trend line. Can your boy Crypto Blood be any more correct, man? Y'all need to mess with me, man. Hey, listen. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Hi, MP in the building. Shout out to him. Whoop. BitSource says, if someone calls me a big back in crypto, is that a compliment? I don't know. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, bro. I can't even tell you. I ain't even gonna hold you up. It looks like we're getting a bounce off the channel, top of the channel yet again. This is on the 1 hour. We can zoom in to the 13 and take a look at that. Wow, like precision, right? I haven't even looked at this chart until right now. Haven't looked at this since Friday. So we're getting a bounce off of the top of the channel there that I drew. Nice move up here. We had a nice drop. This was the drop that really added some gains to the account, BYDeFi account. We're going to look at Blowfin account as well today. That's where the algo is running. We'll look at that in a minute. But yeah, guys, playing out as I thought it would. I still feel like we're going to head lower. Just looking at the trajectory of this, we got denied, and that was a big denial. We got denied up here. This was all Bybit. We zoom out. That was the Bybit scene right here on Friday, 9 a.m. But go back and watch that stream from last week, that Friday. Last Friday, I'll bring it up again. Let me see if I have it up. I do. So this stream here, you see this thumbnail. Go watch this stream, because in this stream, I unveil some well, it's not really secrets, but some potential evidence that this Bybit thing did not just start last Friday. Did not just start last Friday. It actually started February 8th, I believe. There were some rumblings of an exchange, trade house, whatever you want to call it, going belly up back then. Big losses. And you can't get any bigger than 1.5 billion. I mean, that is the biggest loss in crypto exchange history. So go back and watch that if you have time. I don't even know where it was in the stream. It was a 2.5 hour stream. Not too bad. But yeah, definitely go check that out. So at this point, we are bouncing off the top of that trend line. Let's pull up our balance so we can check out what's going on there. See if I can pull that up. Bada boom, bada bing. I don't know why my head is over to the left like that. All right, there you go, ladies and gents. There you go. So we have a running P&L of 270 bucks, which is off of 2 shorts. And not from the Bay Area. ETH short, Doge short. I've been skimming off the top, taking profits on these all the way down. I always forget I can show you guys the chart and show you the trades on the chart. So if you look here, the S, that was the initial short on this Doge trade. Thanks to Bloodalytics, man. I'm telling y'all, Bloodalytics. You use Bloodalytics in conjunction with what you're doing, boy. I tell you that boy, you're gonna have a successful career. Short here, took some profits here, took a little bit more here, took a little bit more here, and just nibbled all the way down. But I'm going to go ahead and close this. Is this ETH or this is ETH? Okay, this is ETH. I'm going to go ahead and close this ETH. Actually, let me take a look at Bloodalytics really quickly and see where we are with the ETH trade. We might be in a long. I just gotta, if we're in a long, I think we closed it. I just didn't close it. If we're in a long, I'll go long. If we just closed it, then we'll just close it. And it looks like we just closed it. All right, we just closed it. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'll go neutral on ETH. Confirm. All right, so now we got Doge open. Let's take a look at Doge. Up 154% on that trade, on that short. Another good execution. Again, we went short. So this S is a stop loss on this buy. So we were long here. We got tapped out here. Then we went short here. And then we went, you know, I took some profits here, took some profits here. And we're going to take, well, let's take a look at Bloodalytics and see what my system's doing here. So Doge, we were supposed to close it short up there. So we're going to go ahead and just go neutral. Now hit that like button, ladies and gents, as you're coming in here. We'll greatly appreciate it. We're going to go neutral on Doge as well. So we're going to close out Doge. Go ahead and lock in the 225. Confirm. Boom. So we're currently not in any trades. Balance is cha-ching. Balance is 2960. Let's see what that alert was, if there was anything at all. Buy Bitcoin. All right, we got an alert to buy Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and set up the Bitcoin trade live. And also, let's get our music back going, because this is a little awkward, a little weird here, there, buddy. We're going to be trading for a couple of hours, a few hours, not a couple, a few. We're going to go ahead and close up the US session. So I might come back and forth to the desk, but I'll have the trades up here live for you to see. Bloodalytics in action, man. It's not a game. I don't know how many show you actual trading, not just the charts, but the actual trading on deck live. But that ass, what? All right, so market, let's go. We're gonna go 50K long on Bitcoin. Actually should have done 25K. Just in case we get a pullback, I can add to it. What do I want to do? Okay, F it. I'll leave it. We're actually long. I missed these other trades. We're actually long Bitcoin, Binance, Tron, and H-bar. And we're short near. But we're down on the near short. We're down, like I'm down on the near short. I am down on the near short. But we did enter the Bitcoin long. And let's go ahead and put in our stop losses. Don't want to forget that. See, when I add on BYD5, when you add in your stop loss, you'll know how much you're going to lose if you hit that. $400 on this trade. That's a little much, but it's cool because we're going to add other trades on to insulate ourselves, hopefully. I feel like the the BNB long, we're too far out in front of that to manually add it. Like, we're in the trade on the algo over on Blowfin, but we might be too far out to add to that position right now. So let's go look at BNB really quickly. So BNB, as you can see here, I can do half my position, and if it comes back further, I'll do the other half. So let's go ahead and add BNB to the table, to the trade. We'll do 20K on that long. We need to add our stop loss. I'll do stop loss at 632. That's $234, not bad. If we take an L on that. And just for the sheer sake of hedging our trades, because we double long, we got BNB long, Bitcoin long, I'm going to go ahead and go short on our near trade, which, you know, it looks like it might turn, you know, might go long at some point. But I'm going to go ahead and, just for the sake of hedging a little bit, we're going to add a near short to our trade list here. So let's do that real quick. Near. I don't even know if I have near up here. Oh, there we are. All right, near. I don't know why it's at. I usually do 20% or 20x. Nothing more than that. Use less margin. Still the same amount of trade size though. Or roughly. We'll do 16. Oh, almost hit long. I meant to go short. Go short there. And then let's add our stop loss in here. $3.36. All right, there we go. We in there like swimwear, ladies and gents. We in there like swimwear. All right, so we do have some other trades. Maybe they've come back a little bit. Just took profit on, let's see here. Test. Yeah, yep. Test 1, 2. Okay, I gotta figure out what happened. Looks like my test 1, 2. All right. Think I'm back. I got feedback in my ear, so I'm not sure what that's about. Look into that. Add theta and T field to your trade. I'll look into that. Okay, I think I fixed my echo. Ivan says, speaking of theta, does crypto futures have theta decay like options do? Of course. Yep. No doubt. They wouldn't be futures if they didn't. They wouldn't be futures if they didn't. Well, not futures, but you talking about crypto options? Are you talking about crypto options, or are you just talking about futures? Because futures doesn't, because they're usually perps, meaning perpetual contracts, so they roll over. So if you're talking about crypto options, then yes, for sure. If you're talking about futures, then no. If you're just joining the stream, hit that like button. We are trading live, ladies and gentlemen, with the assistance of Bloodalytics. And let's see. Let me see something here. Try to log into my other account. See if I can log in really quickly. All right, we got the algo trades on the reference account up and showing on the screen here. So as you guys can see, again, like I told you, one short and the rest have been long. Bitcoin, HBAR, BNB, and TRX up on all the longs so far, but I mean, I'd rather be long at this position in the market, at this place in the market, because we're right there bouncing off that trend line, the top of that channel. In addition to that, we got the altcoins bouncing off the trend line over here. Look at this. Bouncing perfectly off that trend line that I had drawn some time ago. We're a long ways away from that outside trend line, which is the breakout point. We get the altcoins back above $1 trillion. That is our trigger point for us to say, oh yeah, all season back on deck. But that's 25% away from where we are right now. It would take a lot. So I'm in the short run, I'm actually not bullish, to be quite frank with you. It might be surprising, but I think we've lost momentum since Trump inauguration, as I told you we would. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So what we would really be looking for is a breakout. Do it like that. Yep, just like that. We would be looking for a breakout above this blue turquoise line. Let me say this. This turquoise line above, just say 89.5. So 895. Just say $900 billion market cap for the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We get a breakout above there, there may be some hope for at least a move back up to this $1 trillion marker, but not too sure. But as far as today's session, a bounce off that top side of the channel is a good indicator for sure. So I'd rather be long than short overall. I really would rather be long. Now our manual trades, we are double long, one short. Running P&L about 80, 90 bucks right now. So we're right at $21,000, precisely at 21K on the BYD5 account. Do I aim, good question, Wild Nature, do I aim to keep my margin close to that 3% mark? No, what I do is any trade I open, and under most exchanges you have this, and this is the easiest way. TRD, Starlet, what's going on, bro? D Fuentes in the building. Thanks, my friend, for tuning in over on Kick. Make sure you guys go follow me on Kick, by the way. Kick.com/cryptoblood. All right, so look, this is what on most exchanges you have that rule bar, right? Percentage bar. I don't go any higher than usually 20% per trade, per pair. And this rule bar is usually percentage of your margin, your available margin. So that's how I just do that. Or, in addition to that, on your quantity, if it's in USDT, that's another reference point I would do. So I usually won't do any more than my account balance per trade, per pair. So a margin of, like 20,000. Really, I would be more safely setting it at half your account balance per pair that you trade. So, around 10,000, 12,000. And in some instances, if you feel real good about it, the max I would do is your balance. That's how you keep your risk, because you're not going to be right every time. And that's why it's important to have risk management in your trading strategy, because you're not going to be right every time. And so it's important that you have low, the losses that you do take don't blow your account. The L's you take, you don't want to blow your account, right? I think the bull run, the chances of that is pretty high. MP, I would say above 50%, maybe close to 60%. Thank you, D Fuentes, for sharing that. Kick.com/cryptoblood. Go follow me over there. Yo, when this GTA come hit the streets, GTA 6, you might see me over there on Kick Gaming. So you want to be entertained. I don't even play video games anymore, but I'm gonna play that one. For sure, I'm gonna play that one. All right, guys, I'm gonna go whip me up some good single origin coffee real quick. All right. So stick around, drop any questions you may have, and I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Let's go. We got the Bloodlytics dashboard up right now. Epidemic says, no way 109 was the top. Top in the local cycle. How much further do you think we're going to go? We should be at $1 million Bitcoin, by the way. They've just suppressed our markets. Oh, sweet. I didn't even realize that, Hyben. Yes, sir. Pause for the cause. So, I'll be right back, guys. Got to make this espresso. Right now, we have 3 trades open manually. It's fluctuating. 2 long, 1 short. And on the algo side, over on Blowfin, we've got 5 positions open. 4 long, 1 short. Be right back, fellas. Oh, Lord. I walk away, and I'm down 200. Oh, man, what's going on here? We get a reversal. We get a reversal, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Lord, what's going on? All right, so let's take a look at this. What we got in the chat room going on? Chat room. I had 128K as a top with the Bitcoin Pi cycle top. Okay. One thing's for sure, we are closer to the end than the beginning. True. I would agree with that one. I would definitely agree with that one. We are long in the tooth with this rally, and no one can really time the top. Okay, Hypeman said he was one of the best players on GTA Online PS5, hands down. Well, I need to join your team then, brother. You know what I'm saying? Wild Nature says, looks similar to the 2017 double top cycle. Yeah, sure does. Sure does. We need to look into what the hell's going on with these trades, though, guy. Let me see. What's going on with these trades here, guys? Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. Oh yeah, we got a pullback. We are right on the hour, about to form another candle, which is not a violation of anything. You see here, we're about to form the candle in about 6 seconds, but it's not a violation. We didn't make a newer low prior to the, or a newer low lower than the previous candle. And we did make a newer high in relative to the previous candle. So, you know, I'm not too, and we didn't close down near the open of that candle. So there's a decent body there. It's just the wick is long. Pause, no diddy. However, we move into the 13-minute, you'll see more of a manifestation of that pullback on the 13-minute. Not concerned yet. We start going below here, then possibly and definitely below here. We go below this V. It's Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. I need to, what I really need to do is remap my Bloodlytics to the Forex pairs as well, because they work on the Forex pairs too. Oh yeah, OKX dead, bro. Rest in peace, OKX. We're gonna talk about that. And I said this last night. Anything for clicks on X, go follow me on X, because that's where I'm most active. I said, I'm bringing this up. I said, yo, like, are we Are we seeing contagion? Is this a contagious situation going on? First it was Bybit, now OKX. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. You guys want to try Bloodlytics for 1 month free? Scan that QR code you see on the screen. Fill out the form. Create a Blowfin account. And we'll get in touch. I'll set you up. 1 month free. So crypto dead? Nah, crypto not dead, my friend. Crypto's not dead. All right, let's take a look at this tweet. I want to show you guys real quick. See if I can find this tweet, guys. So this is a tweet I retweeted last night, and another one is there. Contagion happening within the crypto centralized exchange industry right now. So this is from Jimmy Clam. Says several now former employees are reporting that OKX is officially insolvent. We're going to read their tweet in a second. We'll read their tweet in a second, but let's take a look at this one here first. Say, okay, OX is officially insolvent after a mass exodus of funds. Their remaining withdrawal liquidity set at approximately $180,000 as they were triaging funds. More details to come. Yikes. He said, yo, see this? Yo, this is hilarious. Oh my God, I didn't see this last night. Look at this. So this guy responds to his post, right? He says 600,000 views for a news piece with no sources, and I only saw one comment asking, hey, where's the source? But yeah, he has shit poster in his job, in his bio, so it's fine. Thanks, Elon, for this disgusting platform. Well, get the fuck off of it then. Get off the platform if you complaining, yo, left Democrat retard. I know that's what you are. Only a Democrat will hate X nowadays. The bastion of freedom of speech. And then Jimmy Clam says, nigga, I'm Jimmy Clams. What the fuck? I don't even know who Jimmy Clams is. Who is Jimmy Clams? Who is Jimmy Clams? Do y'all know who Jimmy Clams is? I don't know who this guy is. I've never heard of Jimmy Clams, but let's take a look at what OKX has to say about this whole situation. So it says, good morning. This was last night, 11:32 p.m. actually, before I do that, I just thought about this. I think I want to double down on my long since I'm down on it. And this is another great strategy. Ben Frank in the building. What up, though? Detroit, stand up. I'm gonna double down on these losses. So this is another great strategy. All you gotta do is, like, whatever trade you open, set your stop losses and all that, so you're not like moving your stop loss. You never move your stop loss. You have your stop losses set. But once you're in your position, if it goes against you, you can nibble a little bit more on that trade. Now, I will say I'm only down 5% on this Bitcoin. I'm only down 7% on this BNB long. But I'll nibble. I'll just put a couple more thousand on it since I'm in the red. And this is what I should have done when I opened my Bitcoin trade. I should have just put 25K on the long, and then when I saw the pullback, do another 25K. But it's all good. We'll do a little bit now. So I'm adding 16,000 more to the trade. And then on BNB, let's go ahead and add a little bit more on BNB too, since we're down. Might as well counter trade it. Well, not counter trade it, just add to your trade. Let's see here. We'll do 9,000 more. All right. So we added to our position that went against us. I feel like the trend is up. So that's why I'm adding to my long position while I'm in the red. And we'll see what happens. I got 100,000 long and only 16,000 short. So yeah, I'm definitely hoping that we go bounce up and continue our way up on this one. As you can see here, this is what, see, I just bought here. Let me zoom this in. I just bought here on the pullback. Stop loss and everything is still the same. You don't move that. But on the pullback, if you feel like the trend is going to reverse, because we've been on a trend downward, a lot of A's. If you take a look at this since Friday, you know, since the what is that? The Bybit situation, we've been seeing a lot of A's. A lot of A's. You know, but as I told you guys, that's the local low right there, which was on Tuesday of this week. I told you that a hack is a temporary event. It is not like change the sentiment of the crypto markets. Now, I think we're going to have some problems with the crypto markets very soon. I do think we're going to have some problems with the crypto markets very soon, because I think the stock market is going to, I mean, you just look at Buffett. Buffett is at record cash levels. He's never been at this much cash in his 90, I think Buffett's 94 years old. Never. I think this guy's got almost 300 billion in cash on the sidelines. Come on, man. Round of applause for the big Buffett. And on top of that, the dude's not even buying his own stocks right now. So he's at 300 billion in cash. He's not buying he paused his buyback purchasing program for Berkshire Hathaway, his own stock. That should tell you something, man. That should tell the Oracle of Omaha. And he said stocks were the best thing ever for a person. Yeah, so I think we are highly highly overvalued in the stock market right now. Highly overvalued in the stock market. So if the stock market goes, boy, crypto dies pretty much. Like it's a wrap for crypto, bro. It's a wrap. Speaking of Berkshire Hathaway, that's so funny. Look at this. Breaking news. It's gonna come back around. Stocks making the biggest moves midday. Berkshire Hathaway, Robinhood, Nike, Palantir, and more. So let me see what's going on with Berkshire. That's funny. We were just talking about Berkshire. Nigga, I ain't about to buy no damn probe. Nothing. All this free information out here, you crazy. Look at that. 29 minutes ago. Crypto exchange Bybit says it fully replenished reserves after record $1.5 billion hack. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Like, even if Bybit would have went down, it would have, ripple effects. No pun intended. But that would have washed out too. Look at FTX. FTX went down. Markets bounced back. Because that's not a fundamental permanent issue in the market. It's a one-off event that, the markets have to price in quickly. And then after that, we can continue on. So that's cool. But back to OKX. Let's see what they're talking about here. Am I bullish? What time horizon are you talking about? Because that definitely makes a difference. Only one says, hey, Blood, what's your thoughts on Ava AI? Haven't looked at that one, bro. Well, maybe we'll look at that. I'll pin your message. Maybe we'll look at that. Make sure you guys come back tonight, though, for sure. This evening, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. Because we're going to be doing we're going to be spinning the crypto wheel tonight, ladies and gents. We're going to be spinning the crypto wheel. See who wins $50 of crypto this evening. All you have to do is do a super chat of any amount or become a YouTube premium member at any level, and you're on the wheel. And if you become a member, it's even better because you're on the wheel every week. So check it out. If you guys want to see if you won, if you're a member, definitely come back tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so let's get back to this tweet from OKX though. I gotta parse through this. So they said over the past months, OX Fund has focused on becoming a premier and trusted exchange for users to trade assets. It's heartbreaking to see a group of bad actors attempt to profit off of illegal market manipulation and then proceed to attempt to tarnish OKX Fund's reputation. It has been a long day here, so let me give you a full explanation. No user funds are affected, aside from the bad actor Hefe, who has all of his funds frozen. Contrary to Hefe's statement that he didn't place any trades, he performed an Oracle manipulation attack. The user had his very first deposit on that date, and from January 14th, whatever time that is, to January 14th, that time he started to sell jail stool aggressively, putting limit orders at 4.5 cents Okay, man, get to the bottom of this. Hefe is attempting to increase the pressure on social media to receive his proceeds from crime. These tactics will not work. We have reached out to Hefe with an offer to reverse some of the social media damage, but he has rejected the offer. OX is known for being the only place you can deposit over 800 tokens, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so they're just, doing a little marketing spiel at the end there. I don't know, man. So maybe not anything for clicks. Maybe OX is not done. Damn, they go in over here, OX. Sorry for being unclear. You must be retarded. Round of applause. Now that's customer support. Now that's great PR team right there, calling people retarded. Oh, that's crazy. All right, so only in crypto. So at this point, it doesn't look like anything clicks. Doesn't look like OKX is out of here. So it is what it is. Who we got calling me? Got to call me later, boy. I'm live. Let me put this on vibrate. So, let's see here. Only one hit us with the $20 super chat. Let's go ahead and put only one on the list for this evening. Why don't we? Thanks for the super chat, my friend. I'm grifting a spin to whomever you choose, blood. Hey, man, appreciate it, bro. I really do appreciate the support. Anything the click says, fluff. Yeah, come back by if you're available. If not, we'll just keep spinning. I spin 10 times, so give away $50 to someone. Appreciate the support, though, my friend. Yeah, I'm calling that fluff too, my friend. I don't think that's I don't think anything's gonna come of that. All right, let's get back to the trades though. So it looks like we're getting a turnaround, ladies and gents. I told you, bottom pullbacks. If you feel like the overall trend is in your favor, buy on the pullbacks only. Don't add to your position in the green. I don't. I put enough in at the entry to say if I win, I feel good about that win. And then that's it. I only buy, and some people, everyone's got their strategy, but I only buy on pullbacks below my entry point or my dollar cost average point. Some people will buy on pullbacks like higher. If they're in the green, they'll buy on the pullback and then, see if it goes higher. I don't do that. I only buy when it's literally the entire position is in the red. And below my dollar cost average. We're still struggling here to get back above water. Let's see what the reference account for my algo is doing here. So yeah, we're looking good on the Tron. Tron is up 24%, but other than that, the other ones are down. HBAR, Bitcoin, BNB, all down. Let's look at Tron, because Tron is up. Let's see what Tron is doing. Tron, man, let me tell y'all something. That's why I mapped my algo to Tron, because when Tron hits, and Tron will go without rhyme or reason. it will counter cyclical the move of the rest of the markets. This bad boy will just take off. And if you, well, it did crash on the Bybit news. It did crash, but look at the recovery since Saturday. Look at the recovery. We made good money over the weekend on Tron because we went long on Saturday. We went long a couple times at the bottom. So Friday we went short, double short, added to that short, took some profits there, and then we went long, took 50% off there. Then we went short, then we went long, and we kept that long on Saturday all the way through till Sunday. So yeah, we'll see. Not looking good though right now for the longs. Looking decent on Tron, but I'm just saying in general, all my other longs are not looking great. Bitcoin struggling to get back above break even. We're neutral on, oh, I'm not even showing the damn chart. Let me go back and show you guys Tron. So this was a long trade on Saturday we took on Tron, closed it on Sunday. And we've been building momentum back up almost clearly near local highs, which was the announcement of the Bybit hack. So Tron will move counter-cyclical to the rest of the markets. It will move with, and when it's right, it's really right. Our BNB trade, not looking good. Our Bitcoin trade, still below break even. We're neutral on Ethereum, so we don't have anything open there. We're flat. Flat on Doge, no trades open. We closed that short trade successfully Sunday night, last night. Setting up for a long, it looks like. Near, we're short on Near. Near is the reason why my losses right now aren't as bad. We're up 22% on the Near short, about $200. So that clears out my loss on BNB. Really, that kind of nets out the loss on BNB, the running P&L on BNB right now. So that's cool. We're going to look at Ava AI in a minute. So Near short, looking good. Hedera, not looking good. We did take 50% off the table on Hedera at about noon today. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, we took 50% L chicken. That's what the L chicken means. Take profit. So we got 50% of that off the table on Hedera. But it looks like we're going to end up taking an L on that if we end up going the other way. And it looks like we're about to go short on Hedera. So I'm preparing myself for a potential short trade coming up on Hedera, guys. Just FYI. We got Trade Intuition in the building. anything for click said, I think it's over, man. Every rally sells. Well, my whole thing is I told you anything for clicks last year. That we would probably take a breather after the elections. Either way, if Kamala would have won on November 5th, that would have started the top. That would have been the top. Because we know that Democrats are very, very much against crypto, right? So their policies wouldn't have been favorable. So the top would have stopped or ended or formed on November 5th if Kamala won. Because Trump won and because he's pro crypto, the anticipation garnered another extended rally up. Literally, the top was the inauguration for Bitcoin. It did a wick down and wicked up to 109. That was the top. Did Kanye sell his Twitter account to scammers? I don't know. I thought he got booted. I thought Elon booted him. I don't know. Trade intuition in the building. That's right, brother, man. Tell him, man, if you enjoy the content, smash the thumbs up. It's very important to the algo. That's right. Only alpha here, no shilling. I'm sure Pi. Did you make 10K on Pi? You still want me to go get that other 10K from Gray? And we split it 90-10. I gotta take big risks, man. That's why I need that 9,000 from the 10,000. If I go get it, I'm taking big risks. Taking big risks going to get your money, bro. We're going to be streaming, guys, until about 4 o'clock today when the U.S. markets close. Great not paying. Okay. Yeah, we'll be streaming until about 4 o'clock today. U.S. close. It looks like we're about to go long or short, I should say, on H-bar here real soon. We'll see. Bitcoin is trying to hold on to the bounce off the top of the trend line, which is really the channel that I drew last week. And I denoted this as a bounce as well. You end up heading back higher, but we got caught at the trend line. That red trend line, we got caught at that trend line, couldn't get back above there. This is not, this doesn't look all that great. I'm going to be honest with you. This rollover look pattern or price action, it doesn't look all that great, especially getting denied at the trend line almost twice, but definitely here we got denied big time. That's why I needed that 9,000, bro. That was out, you know, that's gonna cover costs of getting over to Dubai. You know what I mean? You know, crypto blood don't stay in no 1-star hotel. So, you know, Dubai got the 5, 6-star hotel. So, you know, I gotta stay there for a couple nights. So it's not like I'm just taking your money, bro. The 1,000 that you're gonna get out of that 10,000, it's justifiable. I'll show you all the receipts. Extreme content. Thanks for tuning in, my friend. Hit that like button, guys, for sure. I'm just waiting to go short on H-bar. If you're just tuning in, we're going over trades live. Ended last week at about 19.5. We're now at around 20.5K. Was able to make some good trades over the weekend. On BYDFi, link in the description below. We got 3 trades open right now, 2 long, 1 short. I'm really hoping that things turn around and we just get tapped out our short on near, because we got a decent amount, about 100K on BNB and Bitcoin longs. That'll be great. It's not looking good, though. I tell you that much. Right now, it's not looking good. Bitcoin is rolling over. We haven't violated the first V yet. This is on the 13-minute chart. I don't use any indicators, all naked trading. Well, I use Bloodalytics, but I'm just saying analyzing overall market. I don't use any indicators. Appreciate it. Extreme content. We're going to look at Ava AI in a minute. Swastika coin. Oh my God, man. I have no clue about swastika coin. No clue about that one, bro. But we're going to look into Ava AI. And we're going to also look into a story shared with me over the weekend of a guy that killed himself live. He deleted himself live because he lost his last 500 on meme coin, and he told the people to basically make him a meme pack. Create a meme coin in his name, in his honor, after he kills himself. And they did. I mean, like, the degeneracy is at an all-time high in the crypto space. Absolutely deplorable. It just doesn't make any sense, bro. You literally killed yourself. Deleted yourself live and told your people to make you a meme pack. Yeah, I've been hearing about this Yay coin dropping. I just don't have the capacity, bro, to be chasing around these damn meme coins, man. It's gonna probably do pretty well too. I'd rather just trade and be more sure about my profits and my losses. We'll see if I can pick up on it, you know. I guess I'll jump on it, but I don't be lurking around looking for meme coins, man. It's just too much. Let's see what my guy JL sent me. Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy buys another 20,000 Bitcoin worth 1.9 billion. What a fucking idiot, bro. Like, and I know, shout out to my man XA. I know I'm counter trend or going against the grain with this one. A lot of people, feel like Michael Saylor is the smartest man in the room when it comes to this strategy of just buying Bitcoin in this intelligent leverage, they call it. Man, this shit gonna end so horribly. I'm telling y'all, man, this is gonna be a bad. And you know what's so crazy? The irony of it is that Michael Saylor in strategy now, it's not MicroStrategy anymore. His company strategy might be the actual catalyst for a crash in the crypto markets. That's the crazy thing about it. Because as I've told you guys, I think we're going to go down. And someone asked me earlier, what's my sentiment? I think this year we're going to go down before we go up. I think we're going to go down significantly in crypto markets before we head back higher. So the question is, and we have not seen MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor do this that often. They always seem to be buying on the up, never going down, or not at significant amounts going down. And the reason is because the the sentiment isn't there for them to raise debt to buy when it's going down. So it's almost like this weird relationship that MicroStrategy has with Bitcoin. They can only really raise debt when the price goes up, because that's when people are willing to give them money, only when the price is going up. So you essentially, I told you guys this before, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes to $500,000, because MicroStrategy's strategy, no pun intended, almost is asymmetrical. It forces them to buy only on the way up, not on the way down, because they can't raise debt and get people to give them money on the way down. So it ends up making them only buy on the way up. And that's going to pull their dollar cost average price up as you go higher. So even if we go to $400,000, $500,000 Bitcoin, let's just hypothetically say, they're going to drag their dollar cost average up to $400,000, $300,000, $400,000 Bitcoin. And we're going to get, and we have, and we're going to continue to get, I think, in the near future, we're going to get those extreme pullbacks in crypto. I don't think those days are over. Those 70, 80% moves, I don't think those are over. I just don't think so. So what does MicroStrategy look like when Bitcoin is at, as Extreme Content says, 70K, 60K, 50K? I don't think we go too far lower than 50K, but 50K. Bro, they're going to be pulling their hair out like it's not going to look good, man. Their stock price is going to be down 80%. They won't be able to get people to give them more money to buy when Bitcoin is lower. It literally is just, it's the worst strategy. I mean, no pun intended. No pun intended. The worst strategy, bro. It's going to be crazy. I'm telling y'all. Blood told you. Blood told you. Record and mark this. February 24th, 2025. Blood told you. Trading Intuition said, I tell people all the time, trading is like buying a lotto scratch off. You want to win, but if you don't, then you don't. But do not use your last $100 to trade. Yeah, very true. I hear you, bro. That's so true. I think Bitcoin goes to 80K, honestly. Okay. As you know how this game goes, it probably won't be he'll probably be the most successful one. The degenerates, man, reward the crazies. And shout out to Kanye. I mean, I like him, but man, I really think he's not on his on a psycho, whatever you call it, psycho meds or whatever. So let's see what's going on, man. We're not looking good here, guys. Down almost $500 at this point. Bitcoin trade not looking good. We just violated the first V. T. Will in the building. Ooh, Grok, bro. Grok is on another level, man. Shout out to Elon, man. Oh my God. Now I understand why he was throwing jabs at Scam Altman is what he calls. He calls him Scam Altman. Now I see why he was throwing jabs. I'm like, look, I'll buy OpenAI from you. This is before Grok 3 came out. He's like, I'll buy OpenAI for $95 billion. And, Scam Altman hit, jab back. But now I see why. Because Grok 3 is so much more superior than '03. Over there, '03, even '03 high. OpenAI's model that you're paying $200 a month for. It's killing it. Making flight simulator game. It's doing whatever you need it to do. It's insane, bro. I can't wait till I'm done with my book, man. I'm writing a book on crypto and AI right now. It sure is, bro. Yay, not at his best right now, but I still got hope. And bro, fingers crossed. Yeah, I mean, if he just get on his meds, man, I think he'll be straight. Is there anything Elon can't do? Everything he touches turns to gold and wins. This guy's a fucking alien, bro. I really think he's an alien. When does he sleep? I don't think he sleeps. I think he is literally a hybrid. Only thing that hasn't worked was that boring project where he was tunneling underground trying to make whatever he was trying to do in California. That hasn't done well so far, but his hit rate is high as hell. It's over 80%. I'll tell you that much, and that's good enough to be like legendary. Okay, all right. We seem to getting a slight pull back. Can we turn it around? Let me take this moment for you guys to give you a public service announcement. So, Blowfin, I'm gonna bring this up real quick. How are we doing on the music? All right, we're doing good on the music. So, Blowfin right now, guys, if you sign up with Crypto Blood, trade and deposit to win bonuses and a potential Rolex. So scan that QR code you see on the screen right now. Deposit rewards. You get 10% cash back up to $1,000 in futures bonuses. So if you do $1 million or more in trading volume, you potentially get the AirPods. You do 5 million or more, you get a Nintendo Switch. 20 million in trading volume, you're eligible for the iPhone 16. MacBook Pro M3, if you do 30 million or more. Apple Vision Pro at 50 million or more, which is valued at about $3,500. And then the Rolly, $9,400 value. That looks like I don't even know what type of Rolly that is. Got the Jubilee bracelet on it, but for $9,400, it must be the entry level one. But hey, still 100 million in volume or more, you're eligible for that Rolly, baby. It's going on from now until March 5th, so make sure you guys sign up. Hit that QR code you see on the screen there. I want to give you guys a heads up on that. I think BYDFi's got something going on too. I'll maybe touch on it later tonight. Definitely come back this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my live stream. This is right now strictly trading. We'll be talking about various topics on tonight's live stream. So, and doing the giveaway, $50 giveaway this evening. So come back at around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard to lock in with Crypto Blood, the Red Nugent. Okay, all right. We getting a little hope. We got a little hope. The great white hope. Extreme Content said he is alien, bro. His dad must have found him in an African emerald mine. Can you onboard with Blowfin? What do you mean by onboard? What do you mean by onboard, only one? Blowfin is currently the exchange that I'm using for my algo automated trading. And so how it works for anyone signing up for the Bloodalytics, it'll trade a very small amount percentage wise, like literally 0.05, like 0.5% of your account per trade, per pair, whatever signal. And then so you'll see it on your Blowfin account and you can add to that position and you won't have to worry about like it taking profit, it reversing the trade. Now, when it reverses the trade, if it reverses the trade and goes the opposite way, it will go back to the 0.5% level. So it's up to you to add to your position to increase your winnings, your earnings. But it's basically a guide, a real-time guide for your Blowfin account. It'll show you or enter you in all the trades just a little bit. And then you can add to those trades and it will take care of the rest. It will take profits, close the trade out if it needs to, reverse the trade if it needs to, et cetera, et cetera. Oh, I get what you're saying. Can you onboard? Good question. Let me check for you, bro. Let me check for you. That's a good question. I've never been asked that question. Looking for you right now. It doesn't look like it, but I'm going to look at buy crypto. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, my friend. And it looks like we got tapped out of our Bitcoin long. Let's see. Did we go short? We didn't go short. Let me just double check something real quick, guys. I might have to re-enter my my long on Bitcoin. I just gotta double check. Okay. We're doing it live, ladies and gents. We're doing it live. So we are about to initiate a short on Bitcoin for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that short on Bitcoin. And then I'll show you where you purchase crypto on board fiat right there on deck. Short Bitcoin. All right, we just put a short on Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure we had to have gone short on H bar. We did. So we went short on H bar. Let's go H bar. Look like the market is turning on us. Yeah, it looks like the market is turning on us, guys. We went short, added a short on H bar, reversed our trade on Bitcoin. BNB is still holding on. Let's look at BNB real quick. So Bitcoin short initiated. Where's BNB? BNB short initiated. Oh shit, y'all. We. So I'm just gonna hit reverse on BYDFi to go short on BNB. See, this is what you got to do live, ladies and gentlemen. You got to react, take the emotions out of it, take the emotions out the game. I felt like we were going higher, and we still might, but the markets are heading the other way. So you got to cut our losses early. Look at Bitcoin. Clearly violated that first V. Now we're trying to go chase that second V. V for vagina. V for vagina. Not vendetta. V for vagina. Vagina. All right, so Mr. Only One, what you're gonna do is once you sign up with the link in the description or in the QR code I'll put this back up here really quickly. Once you sign up with that QR code, right? You just go buy crypto at the top. It'll be in the main menu up there at the top. Buy crypto. You put how much you want to buy. It'll tell you how much you'll receive. You've got different payment gateways you can select. I think it's picking the best one for you, and then you can do it via, Visa, MasterCard, or Skrill, and then you buy them now, and it'll take you through the steps. So you are able to do that onboard fiat to crypto right from Blowfin. It's going down, y'all. 9/11. Let's see what happens. Got another good question here from Caffeinated Crypto. Thoughts on the bank's Fed loans due March 10th? Do you think they will bail them out? Thoughts on the bank's Fed loans? Which loans, my friend? Which loans? I'm not familiar with the loans you're talking about. Stick around, only one. We're gonna look at Ava AI in a minute here too. I didn't forget about you. You want to look at TA, or you just fundamentally talking about the project? Let me know which one you want to look at. It's so harder in the building. All right, we'll take a look at TA on Ava AI. I've never even, let me say something, man. CoinGecko. So only one. I'm not sure if are you talking about this on what is this? Talking about this here? I'm not finding anything about Ava AI other than this chart here. Ava AI. Over on Blowfin with the algo, we are short across the board except with TRX. We're still holding on to that long with TRX, but we are short on everything else right now. If we look at TRX real quick, let's see what's going on with that. Yeah, TRX still long. Holding on to that long, but we'll see. MEXC, Ava AI on MEXC. Okay, let's see. Let me look. Let me try to pull it up on TradingView then. Let me do it on this one here. Ava AI on MEXC. Okay, now I see it. Gotcha. Lot price. All right, let's get into it. Let me bring the music down. We're gonna get into it. So as you guys know, Crypto Blood uses no indicators, trend lines, support and resistance, SNR and trend lines. That's it. So what you want to do is start with the outers and move in. So that's your first outer. And then you can pivot in the last touch inward. Here's another one. That's a good one too. That inner one is a good one because we have 1 touch, 2, 3 touches on that. You want to see a good trend line has 3 or more touches on it. That's what you want to see. And then you go from that pivot, that inner one, and you do another one. And I'm locking it in right here. And you say, why are you doing that, CB? When you would possibly do something like this. You could. This is a good one too. This is even a better one. Very close to each other, but again, you count your touches. 1 touch. 2 touch. I'm counting this as a touch. 3 touch. 4, 5. Wait, there's more. Like the infomercial. Wait, but there's more. If you sign up today. All right, here's another one. Those are all touches. That's a good trend line right there. And then the icing on the cake would be, there's one more we could draw. Again, you take the most inner touch and you just pivot it from there. I mean, you could do it from here, back here as well. But we're gonna go right here with it. One touch, two touch, 3, 4. That's the interaction right there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, there's a whole bunch of touches right there. All up and down here, right? All right, so now you got your spatial orientation together. I'm gonna get rid of all these circles. That's all you need, guys, man. This is literally all you freaking need. It's so crazy how overcomplicated people make it. All right, so right now, not looking good. We got a rejection at this trend line. Again, I just trade V's and A's. And you can fill in the blank what the V's and A's stand for, but yeah. So if you are bullish, I would wait. I will wait till you get above 5 cents up here. That's a violation of the A. So, you know, the market's moving back up, taking out that top of the A. If you're impatient, you can, you know, if you can start buying when it gets above this trend line again. But the real violation and signal that we're bullish would be a move above the top of that A. Okay. I personally, in this position, would go, I would be short or neutral. If you're not comfortable shorting, I would be short here and high my stop loss above the A with the target for 4.5 cents. So I would go short here with the take profit. I mean, you could take profit before then because you're talking about 10% move down. That's a big move down. So I would probably take some off the table right here before you violate these areas right before it. But yeah, I would be going short in this position. Round of applause. Hope that helps, my friend. That's right. Trade intuition. That's all you need. Support, resistance, trend lines. And if you want to, you can use a little Fibonacci. If you're going into, you know, new territory as far as price action, you can do a fib on there. Fib extension. That's it, man. That's all you need, bro. I'm trying to tell you. I love trading using only price action. When I trade leverage, I like using 9 SMA, 30 SMA, and VWAP. I see so many people with 9+ indicators on their chart. Yeah. And this is no shade to anybody. I don't even follow any other traders. But if you see a trader over there on YouTube with 100 different indicators on there, run the other direction. They're confusing you and themselves, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just gonna let you know. They're confusing you and themselves. Like real talk. No problem. Only one, no problem. Yes, sir. Been trading for 19 years, man. Be a decade, be 2 decades in another year or so. Started trading right out of high school. Second year of college. Really got into trading. So yeah, man. And it took a long time to break it down and be simple. Yeah, I went through all the different indicators and this and that. And of course, you can add in there, and this is good. I don't use it. I don't even use this, but this is a good indicator. This is a good indicator. Volume. If you know how to read volume, that can help you. But ultimately, volume and any of these other things, your liquidity areas, people use liquidity charts and show where your liquidity areas are. Ultimately, all that has to be expressed anyway in price action. So if you just wait for it, it's going to have to manifest itself anyway. And usually those liquidity areas are lining up with the trend lines. That's where the liquidity is, below it or above it. So it really still comes down to just waiting for the market to tell you which direction you're going to go. Let's get back to BTC over on Bitfinex. That's the legendary OG. Let's lock to price. Still teetering around, guys, with the top of that channel. Hey. Didn't have to do that, my friend. Appreciate it, though. Definitely appreciate the support. He's already given a $20 super chat today. So let's go ahead and let's update that. He's going to have a decent chance this evening of winning that 50 ball. Not 50 ball, but 50 piece. 50 piece. That 50 piece. I ain't giving away 50 grand. I ain't Mr. Beast. I remember that. Drake's Lynn says, appreciate the alpha. I'll definitely take notes on it. Absolutely, my G. Hit that thumbs up too, Drake's. Yeah, man. I would be all ears too if somebody was giving away 50 G's on a live stream. Okay, so this is what Caffeinated Crypto was asking, guys, regarding the loan payback. So he said when the banks went down, they were allowed to borrow 2 years ago on their troubled assets. They are due next month. Next month, I think it was a TARP program. Their assets are even lower than 2 years ago. Is it the TARP or the BFTP? Some type of bank. Remember the bank term, bank loan, or bank funding term something program? Is that what you're talking about? It wasn't TARP. TARP was from 08, 09. I think you might be talking about that BFTD program. If you're watching on X right now, show me some love, ladies and gents. Show a brother some love. I haven't seen anyone from X comment yet. Show me some love. Would greatly appreciate it. Currently 80% bullish in the markets right now. Blood Analytics got us at 80% bullish. I'm sorry, bearish. 80% bearish, not bullish. 80% bearish right now with the Blood-O-meter. I'm working on a dashboard, ladies and gents, where you'll be able to see current trades we have open with the signal. And I'll give you a Blood-O-meter to kind of give you a gauge on the sentiment of the markets as well. Some other stuff I'm going to add in there at some point, but that'll be available. Hopefully, I'm still working on it. Hopefully it'll be available in the next month or so. Be a great tool for you to have. So, yeah, this is nothing new right here. You're right. They did pass a bill, but that was many moons ago. I want to say it's a Dodd-Frank. It was in the Dodd-Frank bill, I believe. Dodd-Frank Act, where they can use your deposits are now credits on their, or assets on their balance sheet. So your deposit now becomes a liability on your side, becomes an asset on their side, which is diabolical to even think about. That you deposit some money in the bank and it is on your balance sheet, is not savings, cash, M1 asset. It literally becomes a liability on your balance sheet and an asset on the bank's balance sheet. Jesus, take the wheel. Mm, mm, mm. We're getting some more momentum. Another V. One more candle. We got about 5 minutes before a new 13-minute candle forms, but it's starting to look like another V forming here. We'll see. I'm gonna delete it for now, but it's definitely looking like it. Before we take intermission, step away from the desk for a little bit, I want to go over this disturbing article. Shout out to my man Rice Crypto. He sent me this last night or 2 nights ago, I think. Let's read this diabolicalness right here. Fade the music back a little bit. Look at this shit, y'all. Crypto trader deletes himself on X Live to create a meme coin.
I thought you were street smart, bro.
Bruh, you got to be kidding me. Crypto trader known as Mr. Fuck You. Oh, nah, I think it's fuck you. I think you fuck yourself, my friend.
Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
I think you fuck yourself. A crypto trader known as Mr. Fuck You shot himself live on X after losing his last $500 in a meme coin rug pull on Friday night. Before pulling the trigger, Mr. Fuck You loaded a revolver on stream and said, quote unquote, "If I, you know what, make me a meme coin." The gun misfired twice. On the third attempt, it fired. The live stream, which ran for over 30 minutes after his deletion, had him bleeding out while the crypto community reacted in real time as meme coins using his name flooded the market within minutes. The meme coin community is pure evil. This guy named Miss. He went to live on X to play Russian roulette just to pump a coin and unfortunately pass away. I gotta pull this up. Mr. FU, who also went by I'm Really Poor, was 23 years old. According to users on X and Reddit, his posts on X show a bit of mental health struggles, and some in the community believe that suicide was also tied to a breakup, as he used to talk about his shorty, but suddenly stopped around 2 weeks before the incident. Minutes after he died, a meme coin called Mr. Coin appeared, with the developer sending him 70% of the total supply before his death. Reactions on crypto Twitter were mixed. Some traders rushed to buy the tokens, betting on the hype. Others condemned the community. One X user broke it down, saying, "So let me get this straight. This guy starts streaming live on X, gets scammed, asks for refunds, pulls out a 6-shooter, says if I die, make a meme out of me, pulls the trigger 3 times, deletes himself. Stream continues for 30 minutes and people instantly create a meme coin." What the fuck? Another guy said the meme coin industry is pure evil. This guy literally went live to play Russian roulette to pump a coin, and it ended up killing him. Others speculated it was a viral stunt that spiraled out of control. Mr. Fuck You had openly asked for a meme coin in his name, and a developer had sent him 70% of the coin supply, fueling the theory that this was a marketing ploy that went too far. Round of applause, man. Diabolical, bro. Oh, I tell you. Diabolical. Now everyone calling for laws. Listen, no law is going to fix this fuckery. No law is going to fix this. Just like no law. Listen, Chicago has some of the most strict gun laws in the country. And they just run, they run around playing GTA. Laws don't fix it. Unfortunately, man, he was battling with some mental health for sure. For him to even go this far, he should have gotten help. But what is the Darwin theory? Only the strong survive. The weak must die. They gotta die off, man. This is some retarded shit right here. But I think more so is mental health. Mental health is a real situation, a real illness. And I've said this about regarding Ben Armstrong. Like, he is suffering from true mental health issues, and I hope he gets some help. Trey Intuition says mental health is real. It most certainly is, bro. That's why, I say Ben Armstrong needs to get some help. And I'm glad to see someone sent me a live stream he put up last week saying he identified what his issues were. And I said in the comments on that video, it sounds about right. That seems like a correct assessment of your mental health issue or issues. I just told him to stop playing with my man Carlos Diaz's name, though, and then trying to try to sound like him when he was recanting the story and stuff. I ain't appreciate all that. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, video seemed spot on. Bro missed the point of not actually shooting himself. Yeah, this is diabolical. This is diabolical. That's crazy. Now, I'm not gonna I can't put this. I'm gonna watch it afterwards. I can't put this on the live stream, but I'm gonna watch it afterwards. Ridiculous, man. Oh shit, we got more plane activities, ladies and gentlemen. Delta flight evacuation at Atlanta Airport. Monday morning, Delta flight 876 from Atlanta to Columbia, South Carolina encountered a situation where smoke and haze filled the cabin, prompting the pilot to declare an emergency and returning to Hartsfield. Man, this shit what is going on, y'all? This is why I won't get on the plane. This is why I won't get on the plane. I'm not getting on the plane. More power to y'all. I'm not getting on the plane. Sorry. Every man needs personal guidelines, things you will and will not do. Yes. Yes. But, I think, for you to go that far, bro, you definitely are suffering from some mental illness. No sane person will do that. You know, life is precious. No sane person would do that. So we got more incidents in the air. Boy, oh boy, I tell you. Judge halts Doge access to education data. Yeah, this is ridiculous, man. How seeing these judges try to stop Doge from finding the waste, abuse, fraud, it only makes them look horrible. Like, it just doesn't make any sense that you wouldn't want to see what's going on other than you're hiding something. You know what I mean? Oh, we starting it. See? You got to be quick on your feet, ladies and gents. You got to be quick on your feet. Starting to turn in our favor. We were long. Had to switch it up. Had to go all short. Markets change. You don't trade based on what you want to happen. You trade based on what you see happening. That's how you trade. That's how you trade, ladies and gents. We rolling over. We rolling over. We rolling over. Damn, our TRX trade long has turned negative on us. Let's go to TRX real quick. Just went slightly negative and we're about to go short. So we unfortunately did not get a chance to take any of those profits on that TRX up here. We didn't get a take profit signal. It's all right. I mean, that's just part of the game. Sometimes you can't eke out. But this mapping of my Bloodalytics algo on TRX has a pretty high profitability rate of 71%, which is excellent. That's really good. So this short should be, that we're about to put on, should be a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Whenever we do put that short on. That's right, Trade Intuition. We're gonna get Trade Intuition on one of these streams, on these live streams. Maybe we'll get them on for tomorrow's stream for a little bit in the morning. I'll be back in the All right, all right, all right. Back on the trading desk. We're looking good, guys. We're looking good. Up 1,500 right now, running P&L. At 21.5K on the balance. So again, we ended last week. Friday stream, we ended 19.5K. So making good progress here. Just violated the second V. I told you I didn't want to draw that third V yet. I need to see a good full V formation. It did not happen. So that's why I was waiting to see. And lo and behold, you see what happened. Now I didn't have time. I saw we had a TRX short put on. I missed it though. As you can see, we're already kind of in the green on that short. I missed that short, so I'll just wait. Maybe on a pullback, a bounce will add to that, but I'm not. It's too deep in the money to get into that right now. BNB short looking nice. Hit that like button, y'all. We trading live, baby. We doing it live. All right, we just got an alert to take profit on Bitcoin. As you see here, just got an alert to take profit on Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and do that. BTC, we're going to take %50 off. Kind of missed a little bit of that, but I was a little late on that take profit, but all good. Bouncing right off the top of that trend line. The channel again, guys. Look at that. Crazy. Now we did violate the V on this candle. We did violate it. So to me, this means that we're going to continue and extend downward to inside this channel. Once you violate it, it's violated. The market sees it. People panic. Even if you get a little pop, that typically means an extension or a continuation downward. So expect this to move lower. Expect Bitcoin to move lower after that violation.
legend on the beat. It's the rundown, everything you need to know. It's the rundown, everything you need for show. It's the rundown, and I ain't even capping on this. Crypto blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show, who didn't let me go? Breaking down the facts, there's more you need to know. Crypto politics and culture, always keep it real. Teaching you the truth, showing you how I feel. Staying forward with me, and I break it down with ease. Every single day, bringing expertise. Current events and trends, I analyze with care. Knowledge is the power that we all can share. Yeah, y'all, hit that like button. Share the stream, and join the team. And you already know what the fuck going on. Shout out to my nigga Crypto Block.
Yo, it's Crypto Blood, Detroit flow, streaming from the D, knowing what to show, indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro, I'm Rucker, Jerry, it's just Bloods do, bad motherfucker in a good way, boo, got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's my Crypto Blood, just the toasters on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Rice TVX, the mic's live wire. American Pitbull, real gold buyer. Sound money advocate, rights defender. In the crypto arena, he's the top contender. From the gritty streets of the digital age, Rice lays wisdom, chapter and page. Silver, gold, he scores only the bold. Land, life, and liberty, these values hold. Constitution, deep dive, knowledge revival. Navigate the system, critical for survival. Rice engraved like inscriptions on metal. Pitbull in the game, lead foot on the pedal, foot on the pedal.
All right, we just went long on BNB. We just went long on BNB. Let's reverse the trade. We'll take that 150, 160 off the table and reverse the trade right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Just reverse the BNB trade. Now we're long. We just closed H bar. All right, so we got some trades coming through, y'all. So we got to close H bar. And then we went, I got a trade to go short Doge. So let me put that Doge short on really quickly. I'll show you visually what's going on in a second. I just got to put these trades in. Short Doge. All right, we in there like swimwear. So let me show you what we just did visually. So we went long BNB. Volalytics went long BNB. We closed. Okay, that's our set. That's our short on Doge that we placed. On Doge. And then we closed our short with Hedera. We completely went neutral or flat on Hedera. No position open. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again. So Bitcoin is trying hard, y'all, to stay above this channel. It's trying hard.
Yo, it's crypto blood, Detroit flow, streaming from the D, knowing what to show, indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro, I'm Rucker, Jerry, it's just blood too, bad motherfucker in a good way, boo, got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's my crypto blood, just the toasters on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Since I was born, been stacking my coin. These niggas pop, my money keep growing. You girl is a dot, she all on my groin. She blowing my horn, we fuck like porn. These rappers is whack, they lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money, it never get born. I'm loading my trap, they calling law. Fuck around and you clap, for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars, then it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
Smoking on that crispy got me cliff high. Steam pot, heat rock, slingshot. Surfing through the city while them chips rise. Hot boy, do it big time. LMA with my summer bae, we booed up. Cali hit the bay, we fly MIA, we pulled up. Sipping on this drink, bitch, I know the way. We juiced up, nigga violate till it's JFK like your roof up. Coin daddy bout them chips, nigga, rap snacks. Face all in a box, nigga, Snapchat. Fucking with the ops to get you clapped at. No cap, nigga, back.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
I'm old school, Beretta, eye on the sparrow. I told you, make moves, then get stacked at the narrow. Games make the world go round, you better get some. I don't know about you, me, I'm a prince. I use the digital circuitry to circulate this currency. Move it with urgency, cause the strangers trying to murder me. Prefer I be in my grave while they out here searching. Celebrating with my coins, niggas out here searching. Nah, I'ma wash them with some Tide detergent. Pie, you are fucking with the wrong person. For the coins of people coming with all kind of schemes. Silly niggas for the paper doing anything.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash.
Just got a trade to go long on TRX, ladies and gents. Let's go ahead and make that happen. Let's see where we at with TRX. All right. Let's go long with TRX. Try this again. Let's try this again, man. Let's try this again, man. Let's see. Wrong screen. Let's do this right here. TRX. Let's see what TRX is talking about. So we want to go long. TRX. Put our stop loss in. We need to put our stop losses in for our Doge and our BNB trade too. Just noticing we didn't do that. Gotta do that. BNB long looking real nice. Not even gonna hold you up. That BNB trade long looks nice. Doge not looking all that great right now. Short Doge trade not looking all that great. And our stop loss in for Doge. All right, so we got 2 long, 3 short. Now we are in profit on one of our shorts. So clearly I'm hoping that we turn back around and go lower because we have more shorts on the table than we do longs. So my bias is to the downside still. Yeah, I got it on the 13-minute. You guys say you see a bear flag? All right, guys. We're gonna got about 30 minutes to the end of this session. At least the US session closes in about 30 minutes. Spot market. Equities, I should say. I think futures close at, what is it, 5 o'clock, 4:30, something like that? Futures settled? Or is it 30 minutes prior to close? I think it's after. Somebody let me know. We definitely got a V shape right here, ladies and gentlemen. That's undoubtedly a V shape. For sure. That looks like a U. All right, V shape. Boom. Right off the top of the channel. It might have faked us out with the wick below, the violation to the V. Over here to the left. We might have seen the bottom, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's looking like that. Looking like a double tap. An extension back up to this zone. Now, of course, we need to, this is the target. We got to breach 95,300 zone on Bitcoin. So if we don't get above here, then it's a pump fake and we will roll over. We'll roll over and go further down. So ultimately, that's, where we have to watch next coming hours or so. Got to watch this zone right here. If we score a point up here, it will be a continuation. If we fail, then they just sucker punched us and we're going to head back lower. I personally, I got to give you my conviction. I can't give you either or. I hate when YouTubers, it could do this, but it could do that. Well, that don't.
I thought you were street smart, bro.
I thought you were street smart, man. Like, that don't help nobody. People need to know where your conviction is. And I'm gonna be honest with you, because we violated this right here, not by much, but because we violated that V, and the overall trend has been lower, we got rejected here. I say we go lower. I say this is a failed attempt to get above here, 95,300, and we roll over and we head lower to maybe 92. Back into the channel for sure. So there you go. We'll see though. Only time will tell. And by the time, tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, we'll give an update on the trades while we talk about some other things. But definitely tune back in tonight, guys. We're giving away $50 worth of USDT or maybe some other coin. I don't know how. You have to figure it out. Okay, 4 p.m. Gotcha. Thanks, Hyben. So this may be a end of the day rush. This happens too. We'll run up or run down, and then once 4 o'clock hits, it'll go back the other way. Test. 1, 2. Alrighty. Looks like the mic is on. All right, so guys, we're gonna wrap up today's session. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Hit that like button on the way out. We got about 86 people over on X right now. Show me some love over on X. Show me some love. So just to conclude, we are overweight to the downside. We got 3 trades open that are short, 2 open long. Our long trades are, the BNB trade is in the green. TRX slightly in the green. Our near is really in the green, which is a short trade. So we're hoping and banking on the markets to roll over and head lower. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't think we're going to get a violation of this zone right here. I believe we'll get a rollover and head lower. I'll give you guys an update tonight. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is going down. It'll be the rundown. Trade Intuition, Hyben. Who else we got? Crypto City. Only Me. Shout out for the super chats from Only Me. Gave $30 in super chats today. Appreciate it, my friend. Deep for Wednesdays in the building over there on kick.com. Man, Drake's Lens. Everyone, I appreciate each and every one of you. And hopefully I'll see y'all tonight. Let's go.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.